Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the claim details so you know what you're fighting. Open YouTube Studio, go to Content, and select the flagged video. Note the claimant and the exact timestamps. Once done, gather evidence: original multitrack files, MIDI, DAW project files, or a signed license. If you license the sample, pull invoices and email chains. You want direct proof that you own or license the audio. Make sure files include creation dates or metadata to strengthen your case. Now you file a dispute and be specific about why the claim is incorrect. Select Dispute and pick the reason: you own the copyright, you licensed it, or you have permission. In the explanation, state dates, license ID, and how the material was created, concise but detailed. Upload supporting files, project sessions, stems, contracts, or purchase receipts. Once submitted, YouTube notifies the claimant. They have 30 days to respond, and their silence typically leads to release of the claim. Finish by monitoring the dispute and acting on outcomes. If the claimant releases the claim, check your video to confirm audio monetization and restrictions are cleared. If they reject it, you can appeal or request a manual review. Include additional evidence. If things escalate, try emailing the claimant to negotiate removal. Keep every message. And if you face a takedown or strike, consult legal advice before filing a counter notice. There are legal risks, so make sure you understand the consequences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.